Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. Look at all these old hand tools I inherited from my dad. This old chisel and this old pipe wrench. Look at this model on it. These pipe wrenches, this company started in 1880 something. That's old. And here's another one. This is back when tools were actually made in the United States. And look at this. Stanley planer. Look at it. 1870 something. My dad inherited from his dad, and his dad inherited from his dad. 150-year-old planer from Stanley. Some old drill bits that go back probably to the 1920s. Self-feeding too. Wow. And look at this. An old pair of snap-on, I guess, clippers. These go back a way too. Made here. Look at this. Looks like an old trowel. And look where this is made at. In Dalton, Illinois. Going back, I'd say, probably almost 100 years. And look at this. It's a utility claw that probably goes back to the 1920s or 30s. An old hand drill. Look at that. Flathead, of course. And look at this old wrench. You can tell what it is. Old tools. I'm not going to sell any of them, especially this 1870 something for this planer. Stanley. We'll be doing a live later tonight around 8 something. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.